US President-elect Donald Trump is reportedly fine with a nuclear arms race if it puts his country in a stronger position against foreign opponents. The latest off-air remarks come amid an uptick in rhetoric from Russian President Vladimir Putin. Jung-soo has more.
In a brief phone interview with MSNBC anchor Mika Brzezinski on Friday, Donald Trump doubled down on his recent tough talk, saying he's willing to start a nuclear arms race with other nations if necessary. According to Brzezinski, the president-elect said he will make sure the United States will, quote, outmatch and outlast all of its competitors if an arms race is inevitable. Trump's comments came just a day after he expressed a similar sentiment via Twitter. He said the U.S. must, quote, greatly strengthen and expand its nuclear capability until such time as the world comes to its senses regarding nukes. It's noteworthy that Trump's tweet came a matter of hours after Russian President Vladimir Putin delivered a speech in Moscow, during which he emphasized the need to modernize its nuclear arsenal for national security. He pledged to strengthen Russia's strategic nuclear forces in ways that can penetrate, quote, any existing and prospective missile defense systems. But for all the military posturing, it appears Putin had not forgotten to reach out to the next U.S. president. Trump revealed on Friday that he had received a, quote, very nice letter from Putin dated December 15th, in which the Russian president talked about his willingness to restore a, quote, framework of bilateral cooperation between the two nations. Trump's comments on the nuclear arms race were met with criticism from several military and nuclear experts throughout the day, prompting his aides to clarify what the president-elect actually meant. Appearing on NBC's Today Show on Friday, Trump's new press secretary, Sean Spicer, said the president-elect's comments were solely intended as a, quote, warning to other nations, and did not imply an immediate or concrete policy change. Jung-soo, Arirang News.